Alright, so I'm sitting here editing the whole Chicago weekend. I just got back, woke up super late, been working since I woke up. We got rained on. I ain't recorded, I don't think, but as you can see, some of the footage in Chicago yesterday was wet. I got rained on for like 30 minutes. If you leave rain on your bike, it'll rust, so you know what that means. Like this bike, I don't know how well y'all can see all that. My bike pretty clean, but this is crazy work. Got rained on in Chicago, dirt all over the bike. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta take it to the wash ASAP.
I'm not a goat, but I fit the description. I like the post, so I get the prescription. We walk around with them bands and I breach it. This gun ain't gon' jam and I blow, I ain't missing.
Just for a Banshee, man. Shit crazy. $22. You wanna put money on it? You wanna put money on it, Reed? Okay.
No, do it. Stand nod. This way a little farther. Now put your bike down and move over. Like,
No, we gonna start on the bike.
nah.
Oh, you saying like standing by the
Like
bike?
right there.
No. Fuck all that. We're gonna start on the bike.
I do it like that.
So you saying niggas just standing here chilling?
I'm saying start.
Like this?
This nigga not in it. I'm saying on the bike. Fuck what he's saying. I'm saying on the bike. I wasn't trying.
Stand on it. And I'm gonna stand here just like this.
Okay.
As soon as you put your foot on that bitch, I'm gonna start my shit. You're not gonna have that start.
No, because if your hand is on it, then we're gonna start like that.
Be on it. That's the start. That's what you're doing.
What are they trying to do?
Like this.
See who charge that shit this time?
As soon as you put your foot on it, I'm doing that.
I'm gonna say, we say
You
him.
putting your foot on it is like me putting my finger on it.
That's exactly what I'm saying.
Okay,
It's not
that's
gonna
what we
get
can
out
do.
of here fast.
Alright, come on.
Wait. So,
As soon as you put your foot on it,
somebody
I'll
else.
put my finger on
My
it.
foot's already on it.
Damn.
No, you okay? Well, lift your foot
Your
up.
shit's in neutral.
What's wrong with that?
My shit's in gear.
It don't matter. I can start it however.
I said that was the bet. I said, who shit will start faster in gear?
I mean,
I said you
I
can
could
start that in gear.
I can put it in gear and start it.
Start it.
Yes.
Then go ahead. Because my shit's in, I'm telling you, it's a pusher. It's in gear.
My shit to start in gear, out of gear, it don't matter. I'm trying to, hold on. You say go.
Go ahead.
Hold on.
They talking about, go ahead.
Your foot's on it, so his finger can be on it.
Hold on, Tom. Yeah. Go ahead.
Say 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, start.
I feel like his shit was still going.
Your shit's
It's close. Hey, it's close, but
Your shit's in neutral. Even if my shit was in neutral.
Put it in neutral. I can put it in gear if you want.
If we was away from our bikes, bro, I'm out of there way before.
I can put it in gear if you want.
Go ahead.
it's like the setting different.
Whoa.
3,
What are you saying? Whoa for?
You over here timing and shit. Go ahead.
Nah, I was just making sure my shit was alright.
2, 1, start.
His shit was still going. Don't fucking say his shit wasn't going. Your shit was still going. You know you heard it. Like I said, my shit ready to go.
You start, gang.
Let's do it again. Your turn, buddy.
If you still ask me, I'd rather have electric start.
Yeah.
I'm not saying. See, now niggas saying I said
You
rather.
gotta hurry up and hop on your bike. I'm hopping on the electric
Now
side.
niggas
Behind your kicker and doing
Our
all that.
niggas is saying rather this.
Grabbing my handle.
I just said my shit start
Sit down,
faster.
do that. Bro, I'm out of here.
Alright,
If 12 pulled up 20 deep right
You
now,
ready?
your ass is grass.
Shelly,
If they swarmed us at 100 miles per hour.
Wait, I can't see your foot.
my foot's on there.
I want to see your foot.
Wait, start your bike up. We ain't gonna be able to hear your shit.
Yeah, you can.
You don't even need to put, your shit ain't got no clutch. I gotta put my clutch
Shelly.
on my shit.
Start.
I'm in gear too.
Bro, what the fuck?
Hey, this nigga's crazy.
Start it. Let's see.
Yeah, that's fast. This shit faster than mine.
Shelly, I'm waiting on you to say 1, 2, 3,
3,
go.
2, 1.
Hey, he had me fucking jumping the fucking line down. He said 3, 2.
That nigga.
Between 1, bro. Wait, it's on go or is it on 1?
It's on 1, 2, 3, go.
Alright.
3, 2, 1. Nah, you did it on 1.
Okay, I did it on 1. I did it on 1. I ain't gonna lie. I was trying to beat his cheat nuts.
I'm not cheating.
What got going on?
Shit, fixing
What up,
the
nigga?
motherfucking tires.
What happened to it?
Man, this nigga keeps them bitches. That motherfucking bad cell right there. Got street tires on this bitch now. Can you tell me any crazy stories about bike rides?
He probably can. He probably can.
We've been recording y'all like a motherfucker.
Coming down, yeah. Got
We all from?
out here. He's still on the west. I stay on the west side. Yeah, you gotta get him a bike. Gotta come outside.
Y'all want them to do a donut? Yeah, they want to do a donut. Alright.
Y'all be safe.
You like this show?
Oh, okay.
Y'all got YouTube? Y'all on YouTube? Can I get your YouTube? So y'all real? No, I don't. No, I don't.
This is my Instagram and YouTube. Is this Instagram or YouTube?
That's YouTube.
Well, that's my Instagram and YouTube. Yep.
Like, person. How about Gabe?
Yep.
Subscribe.
For sure. Appreciate you.
Thank
Yeah, we
you.
real. He said, he pointed at you, he said, he be floating. I said, you ready? Watch this.
Yeah, you go faster than me. I gotta beat my shit to keep up with you. I'm in 4th and 5th on fucking 4th half trying to keep up with that guy. Yeah.
I was third. What gear was you in?
Third, probably third. Gabe, what you doing? I know Gabe
I
gonna
gotta
go
get
down
used to
High
this
Street. I
bitch.
thought he was gonna
I'm
leave come
scared.
up High Street, but there ain't nowhere else to really ride.
Everywhere. But when we had the
Anywhere.
bikes, we went all
Nah,
over.
if I had a quad or a dirt bike, I'd be anywhere.
I'd be everywhere. I don't
They
know.
keep telling me about fucking somebody's